Give some rich shit.
Seconds to a minute long. So whenever I say the B-roll, this is what she's doing. She's getting all of this stuff to get spread out.
Too much setup.
That's okay. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we're going to go over Stahls transfers, the sample pack that they sent me. You guys wanted to see me press a patch, so that's what we're going to do. We're actually going to try out that goof proof and see if it really works. All that and more after the intro. So what you've seen in the B-roll was a list of patches that they had sent me. And I've already went over a small review over that a couple days ago. But I really want to focus in today on that goof proof because it looks something, you know, I need to be involved with. Simply because I make the mistakes, so you don't have to. And if they got a goof proof patch out here or a goof proof transfer out here that I can use to make my life easier, hey, it should work for you guys. So as you just seen, those were the transfers that they gave me. Well, at least 4 of them. They did give me like a stack this thick. No, I'm kidding. They did give me a significant amount to try out. A good 15 or so. But I'm going to press that goof proof. And I'm going to be using today a gilded shirt. Now you can get these at your local Walmart. They're usually $3.88. Sometimes you'll find them for $4.88 or $5.88. I'm guessing it's dependent upon the season. The thread count and all that's really not important from what I'm seeing in the instructions, so let's get into it. So if you go through their sample book right here, goof proof, no backing, that's the first one we're going to apply. So the temp needs to be 360 degrees to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 7 to 9 seconds. The pressure is a medium to firm or 6 to 8. And the peel is hot. Very important that you know that the goof proof peeling is hot. Let's go to the heat press. And I'm not going to use a transfer sheet or anything else to cover other than what I have on top of my platen to make sure that we got this pressed. My heat press is adjusted to 365 degrees. And we're pressing for 8 seconds on the medium to firm pressure. Let me tighten that down a little bit more. And we're going to go right here. So you guys are going to get this raw footage the way that it is. Peel hot. Wow, that came off nice. So that was the first one. Okay, I do see where some letters then came up. I'm not sure if I did that or if the pressure was a little bit off, but I like the way that it came off. The feel is real nice. And if you got sensitive fingers, I wouldn't suggest doing this. However, I got callous old man's fingers, so it's not really killing me, but so far so good. The only thing I don't like is how the S, the T, and the A came up a little bit. And I don't know if that's user error or what, but let's try another one. That at 365. Right now we're doing the hot split one because it's another hot peel, and I'm adjusting the time and the temperature. The temperature is 365 degrees, which I've already had it at. And the pressure is at a medium firm or 6 to 8. But the timing is a little bit different. It's 8 to 10 seconds. So we're gonna go up one more to 9 seconds. We're gonna set it and let that reach back to 365. and then we're gonna press. Here's that Inspire patch, and once again, I'm not gonna cover it. I'm just simply gonna lay it on there, let the Teflon sheet do what it do. And the Teflon sheet might be some of the reason that this came up a little bit. I'm not too sure, but I'm definitely not taking down my homemade cover right here, because it was a great invention. Shouts out to you, Big Brandoh. Go, man, I'm telling you. Them ideas, tips, and tricks, yo. Y'all need to go subscribe to my homeboy, Big Brandoh. He been dropping knowledge for years, and I've been an avid follower. So it's at 365, and we got it on 9 seconds, medium firm. Once again, this is a hot peel. See, that came off like butter, baby. And once again, I'm feeling it. I would not advise this if you got the most soft fingers. That ain't for you. But look, no liftage on the letters. I'm using nails. Y'all can see I ain't clip them yet now, but I'm able to do all of this, and it feels nice. And one more added bonus, it's the Browns colors. So those were our hot peels. Let's switch over to the cold. The next transfer that we're going to press is a glitter. The temp is 350 degrees. It presses at 6 to 8 medium to firm pressure for 15 seconds, but the peel is cold. So that's what we're getting ready to do. So let's press it. And remember, this is a cold peel, so I'm going to give it a little bit of time to cool off before I just rip it off. Obviously, read the instructions, people. So while that's cooling off, we're prepping for the next transfer, and it's Pearson Wildcats. And this is an easy elastic print. My bad, y'all. I'm stumbling over words. Sometimes it happens. But basically, the temp is at 300 degrees. The time is 15 seconds. The pressure is medium to firm, or 6 to 8, and the peel is cold as well. So before I reveal the last two presses, I just want to shout out, what up, squad? Y'all know who y'all are. 12 Gone, Seek, my homeboy. You dig? Jerome from All Things Style. Sayhowyoufeel TV. Pretty much that's the squad and myself. You can join today on Facebook. We just started a group. What you waiting on? Go ahead and click. So let's press this and reveal the shirt. So I had to let my platen adjust down to 300. Right now it was at 300, just dropped down to 295. I'm not too sure what's going on, but the reason why you seen the one that was still on there is because it's a cold peel, and I want to peel them at the same time on camera for you guys. I pressed it properly like it was supposed to be pressed. Did it stick? We're getting ready to find out here. On that 1 more degrees, what is you lingering on? Come on, turn to 3. There we go. So now we're gonna press. So here's the squad.
Yeah, squad up.
That's
Yeah,
that's
y'all
a
Facebook group, hashtag squad, custom t-shirts and more on Facebook, man. Links in the description. Y'all hit that link. Come rock with us real quick.
For sure, we got next.
We definitely got next. I'm gonna pull off this cold
The number
peel.
you have dialed
That's not coming off
has been
that good.
changed. The new number is...
Oh, wow.
Please note, the new number is...
Maybe I needed to have more pressure or less pressure or more time to let it cool, but it's pretty cool to me. On there, let's do the elastic. Elastic came off nice. It feels really nice too. Kind of feels screen printed. So yo, there were some ups and some downs, and it could definitely be your user error. Stumbling over words, but I hope y'all enjoyed this one. We're getting ready to get into a whole bunch of videos. And once again, shout out to Squad. Y'all just met a few of the members. Until the next one, y'all, I'm out. Join Squad today on Facebook. I'm trying to figure it out for Instagram. But basically, if you want tips and tricks and knowledge for your custom apparel business, this is the place to be. Join Squad today.